Welcome back to Mr. English Teacher. I'm Liya.
And I'm Jack. How are you today, Liya? You look very bright and happy.
Aw, thank you, Jack. I had a long phone call with my mom this morning. We talked for almost an hour.
That's nice. Talking on the phone can be such a great way to connect with people.
Yes, it really is. And that's actually our topic for today.
Oh, perfect timing then. Let's help our viewers learn how to talk on the phone in English.
So, today we'll learn how to start a phone call, how to talk politely, and how to end a call in English.
Right. Because talking on the phone can be a little tricky. You can't see the other person's face, so using the right words is very important.
Exactly. We'll make it easy and fun, step by step. Okay, Jack, let's start with the beginning. When I call someone, what can I say first?
Good question. When you make a phone call, you can start with, "Hello, this is Liya," or "Hi, may I speak to Jack, please?"
Oh, so I should say my name first and then ask politely for the other person.
Exactly. It sounds polite and clear. Let's try it.
Hello, this is Liya. May I speak to Jack, please?
Perfect. And when you answer the phone, you can say, "Hello, Jack speaking," or simply, "Hi, this is Jack."
That sounds easy. So if my friend calls, I can say, "Hi, Liya speaking."
Yes, that's natural. Here are some useful phrases for starting a phone call. 1. Hello, who's calling, please? 2. Can I help you? 3. Is this the right number?
Nice. These sound polite and friendly. Okay, now I'm talking to my friend. What can I say during the call?
Good point. During the call, you can use phrases like, "Can you speak a little slower, please?" "Sorry, could you repeat that?" "Just a moment, please."
Those are really helpful when the line is not clear.
Exactly. And if you didn't hear something, never be shy to ask again politely.
Right. Like, I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say it again?
Perfect English, Liya.
Okay, so how do we end a call politely?
You can say things like, "It was nice talking to you." "Talk to you soon." "Have a great day."
Oh, I like that. It was nice talking to you, Jack.
Nice talking to you too, Liya.
And then, of course, we say goodbye. Bye-bye, or see you.
Yes, simple and friendly.
Can we do a short example, Jack?
Sure, let's do it.
Ring, ring. Hello, this is Liya. May I speak to Jack, please?
Hi, Liya. This is Jack. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. Are you free to talk now?
Yes, sure. What's up?
Just wanted to ask about tomorrow's meeting.
Oh, it's at 10 a.m. in the office.
Perfect. Thanks, Jack. Talk to you soon.
No problem. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye.
Now it's your turn. Let's practice together.
I'll say a phrase, and you repeat after me. Ready?
Here we go.
Hello, this is blank, your name. May I speak to blank, please?
Good. Next one. Sorry, could you repeat that?
Just a moment, please.
It was nice talking to you.
Talk to you soon. Bye.
Great job, everyone. You sound more confident already.
Talking on the phone in English can feel scary at first, but with practice, it gets easier and easier.
That's right. Try calling your friend or classmate and practice these phrases today.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe for more friendly English practice.
And tell us in the comments, who will you call to practice your English?
Thanks for watching, everyone.
See you next time on